little dusty, baby.
Mm-hmm.
Come closer, come closer. When you've never built cabinets before, the only way to start is to just start. And for us, that meant grabbing what we had, scrap wood from the build site, and turning it into something we hope would look like a cabinet when we're done. Every step came with a challenge: measure twice, cut once, and still finding out we measured wrong. But each mistake taught us something new, and each fix gave us a little more confidence. We weren't just saving money by using leftover materials, we were learning a skill from the ground up. No fancy shop, no big budget, just determination, trial and error, and a whole lot of patience. And piece by piece, it started looking less like a pile of scrap wood and more like a cabinet. Turns out, building something with your own two hands, even if it's not perfect, feels pretty amazing. It might not be showroom quality, but it's ours. And every crooked line and uneven edge tells a story of learning, adapting, and making the most of what you got. So let's stack all of these. We can do our lines. Smart move. Good job, Tara. Glad you're thinking. You're welcome, baby. You're welcome.
You're such a smart ass.
Love you.
Alright, look. Alright. We'll do this categories and go with the center first. Because we're going to have to.
Do it the easy way. Zero one.
Missed.
That could have been bad. My hand was right there.
We're not doing it that way. The other side works fine, but.
Yeah. You think it was the first time we've ever built a wall?
Well,
It's
these
just so dinky.
these mini ones are actually, I think, more difficult than a full-size wall. Go to your left. Keep going, keep going, keep going. All right.
Down. Z4. Z4 is done. Yay! That's fine. time. Time for a break.
How do we see that mark? Okay. We're gonna set the first one and pull from there because we're gonna hide my marks. Next question is, what's up?
Nothing, I was just gonna visualize the space.
How come you didn't push this on like that?
I tried, but it doesn't rest square, which is fine. We don't have a blocker or anything back here. So either we go shy on this one, and then a little wider on that one, right? And then, this is all jacked up. So what are we doing, baby?
Well, we didn't cut enough, so we're gonna cut some more.
Okay. We're back at it.
What?
Said it again, didn't I? We're back at it.
Cause we are.
I know, right?
We
Well-
were gonna finish under the lights.
But we just had such a good time over at Bob and Donna's that we just stayed for a while and visited, and it was way dark by the time we got home. And we were both tired. So back at it again this morning. And we're gonna finish ripping down what we need to finish the countertop.
Well, the base.
Or what did I say, the countertop?
Countertop, yeah.
The cabinets,
The bases.
the things that we're gonna put stuff in.
Humdinger.
Humdingers. All right, here we go.
God, fine. Can't, though.
My dog. Did you have a good breakfast? Did you have good eggs made in bacon grease? Yes, you did. And she did. Spoiled up down.
Surprise. We've changed what we're doing for a countertop. So you have to stick around for the next video to figure out that.
You're the only one in this crowd surprised. The rest of us knew that was happening.
And this.
No, but you're awful dang close. Yep.
I'll let you start.
Don't let me do nothing. Oh, well, I gotta get this one.
I'll be
First
right
one
back.
Set. Set me up, baby. Set me up. I need to yell. Okay. 'Cause everything's gonna be based off this first one. So when I get it wrong, they'll all consistently be wrong together. All or nothing in this crowd. Oh gosh. Falling over. Help me, Lord. Okay. Everything will be set up this one now because I pulled tape from both those sides and made the bottom match. So according to Ed, it's squarish.
Ish.
Mm-hmm.
Good job, baby. Good job.
Hardest part of the whole gig. Okay, so now the idea is this centered on that stud. Get a nail in, measure the top, measure the bottom.
Well, I mean, we gotta rip some more for these pieces.
Well, right. But we need to get these set first.
Right.
Because we need to know what those pieces are gonna be.
Lead on, boss man. Lead on. Get it. I don't do that as well. Ooh, got it.
Now, what we should do is not have everything in the way. Wrong.
I didn't move it.
Hoping it go. Ah, now go ahead and nail it.
May I shoot it?
Right. So, alright, go ahead and nail the top.
Do you want to do any measurements so that we're not custom cutting each top?
No. Because there's going to be a slight influx, so we're probably custom cutting each top. Get a couple in there. That looks pretty close, don't it?
Yeah.
Oh.
16th off.
It was a 30-second off. Joke's on you.
Is that where you want it?
Yeah. Okay.
See, my method worked, didn't it?
Alright, so now.
Notice he doesn't even
Yes.
acknowledge that.
It worked. I talked about doing that before and then we went back and forth. So, alright, so now this one.
This has to be in line.
You want this edge in line with those?
Correct.
Okay. We need to nail her first.
Yeah, I just saw that. Let me go back to my cutting station. You stole my pen now. So I'm gonna need my pen.
11 and a half. It's right there.
11 and a half, Capitan.
Whoop. Oop. They're standing in the way. Just below that mark.
Would you like more coffee, baby?
Oh, I'm good with coffee right now.
I think I might go make some of that Texas pecan. I think I could use a little bit more.
Alright, I need to mark 24. And 24.
You need me?
No. You're good, my love. You can go make coffee. Okay,
leverage.
come nail this down here.
Onto the ground.
Onto the ground. Oh,
Out of.
of course.
Got it where you want it?
Yeah.
I'll leave you alone for 1 minute. Okay, 5.
Mm.
Oh, Patrick, on point with, ha.
Okay.
But that Texas pecan, it smells so good. And it is so good.
Okay, so now those are it, right?
With some future, your mustache, you've got, it's, so we need 1, 2, 3, 4.
And then those will be totally different.
Yeah. And then we gotta do the cleats.
Because we're gonna have to run one here, we'll have to run them, like, yeah. Because we're probably, well, we're gonna have to do one across, one to here.
And then the cleats.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright.
We're going over here. Come with us. Let's go. Back to ribbon.
I'll measure the backs, cut 2, measure backs, cut 2, right?
And then just pop out the Craig jigs.
Craig jig them all. Yeah.
Did you already mark these? And these are 3 and 3. Trying to be smart. 2 and 1. Did you already mark these? So 1, 2, 3, 4.
I marked this one as a
5,
5.
6,
This is
7. These are 7.
They come this way because that's going to be the rigid.
Right. And in case you guys are wondering, Handsome Man's kind of recovering because he kind of bumped his noggin pretty good. Pretty good. So he's still recovering. He ate his cheerful, jolly self. You want to show him your boo-boo?
No.
You all right?
I'll be fine.
All right. I also need to go get another battery. I got you, babe. You want to tell the good folks what you're doing?
Oh, now you're watching me. Okay. We're using the old Craig jig to make some pocket holes. See? Little pocket holes.
That way we're not trying to finagle and blow things out with nails.
So you just go through and pre-drill them. And then we'll be able to put screws as these facers, if I can get this stuff apart. I didn't want them to move.
That's one set. So the benefit of this is, believe it or not, right? That's why it makes this pocket hole the way that it is these actually come out and those screws go straight in to meet whatever you're doing.
So then you glue the edges and then the Craig thingy-majigger makes it all the way.
And they're great for cabinetry and stuff because you don't want to see screws on the outside, right? So.
I know, we are not on collaboration. We bought this ourselves and we love it. And then it's just wash, rinse, repeat. So I'll just put it on time lapse.
do the hokey pokey on the countertops.
Yeah.
Trapped.
Just like I like you. Trapped. You ain't going nowhere. Ha ha. Is that okay if I trap you?
You ain't got to trap.
I mean,
You can't trap the willing.
everyone already thinks I trapped you.
Whatever. Full of beans. Hammer.
So now I just need 2x6s cut for here. Right?
That's what you said.
What's my measure need?
I don't know. Remember that whole put an animal in the cage? All right. $38 3/4. I don't think so.
I did.
Yeah, you did, dude.
38 3/4?
Oh man, I told you at once. I think that's what I said. Yeah.
So in this particular spot, this is where the sink is gonna go. And with this being an outside structure, not climate controlled, I didn't want the area where the sink goes to kind of like start to dip over time because of humidity and stuff like that. So I felt the best option was to do 2x6s as an apron in the front and as a support in the back.
Glue her up, baby. Juggle, juggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Finally figured out something I'm good at. Gluing.
I'm dead, Fred. Got no power, Captain.
I'm still ducking my head. As if.
I'm telling you, I'm ducking in my brain everything right now. Bob and weaving. It is what it is.
I just think that'll give it a lot more strength.
Yeah.
All right, guys. We've never done this before, so I'm sure there's gonna be a lot of things in the comments, but we're building our own cabinets. And actually, the vast majority of these, except for like the last two pieces, we built with cutoffs from the rest of the build.
Yeah. It's all stuff that we had laying around, so.
Yeah.
They're really rudimentary now, but the idea is we'll just do some shelving in there. We've got some 1x that's already milled up that we're gonna plane out, and
Yeah.
that'll be our shelves, and sink will go there. I think we'll be just dandy.
I'm excited. I truly am. And I can't thank you enough, my love.
Teamwork.
Sorry about your noggin.
Yeah, it's still connected, I think.
Yeah, I see a bruise. Thankfully, this Southern Blessed Homestead hat right there saved his
You
noggin.
didn't know you bought a hard hat, did you, Mac?
It cushioned it just enough it didn't bust skin, but
Yeah.
he bumped it pretty good.
Yeah, I feel it. My eyeball feels like it's gonna pop out.
Maybe. All right, guys, we're gonna go get this uploaded and get this out for you guys yet today. I sure wish we could get ahead, but yeah.
No, there ain't no fun in that, right? You guys wouldn't know what to do if we got ahead of ourselves. So.
All right, see you guys next time here at the Ridge, because we're gonna be working on the actual countertops. Hopefully, we got a few more things to do, but
If
it's
we
coming.
don't pick another project in the meantime.
Yeah, there's that. Okay, bye, guys.
See ya.